Good day, guys. So today woke up late, did some chores, errands, and everything else, and yeah, woke up late. I didn't do a lot today, so this is a time when you start making a lot of videos, and then you start getting tired, and you start getting lazy, and you don't have any update videos. So yeah, didn't go to gym also because I'm physically tired. I'm not sure if I can do anything by tomorrow or later because it's around 5 a.m. I should be sleeping right now, and I don't know if you're getting the audio. But yeah, I'm trying to be silent here because everybody's sleeping. It's around 5:21 a.m. here. I'm trying to edit a bit of my work, and I know I will be sleeping till around 12 today. So this is it. This is the time when the vlogs become slower and you get a bit lazy. Just doesn't even reach a week, but we're still gonna try. So these are the times like I say, yeah, let's try more. But yeah, for now, this is just a talking head video of me. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm filming. I just want to put up something, but I have nothing. So good Monday, everyone. I have to wake up early because I have my dentist appointment. You know, my teeth is like rotting hell because I haven't been taking care of it. But yeah, I'm getting in right now. I think my doctor is there. Yep. So yeah, today's a good start. It's around 10 a.m. and I'm up. Usually I'm still asleep because I don't go to bed early. Anyway, let's go. Done with one of my sessions with my dentist, and this one here is so numb. I can feel it. Yeah, it's really numb, and you can't even move part of it. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Got me a bit, but I'm gonna be back here within a month for the other side. But I need to contact other specialist also for my teeth because I haven't been taking care of my teeth. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, quick drone flight up here at the park. That park. Pretty good, yeah. So yeah, I did a quick drone flight, and yeah, I didn't have charge in my battery, so I need to go home now. I just did one and a half flight, and then hit some of the branches, but I didn't crash. So it's a lucky day today. I didn't crash. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm heading home, and I don't know what's up for the vlog. By the way, yeah, my teeth feels better now. It's not that numb, but I can still feel that it's a bit numb here. I'm so scared when it's gonna, all the anesthetics is gonna go away and it's gonna hurt a lot. Cause I haven't been taking care of my teeth. I know. Anyway, check out the park again. Yeah, pretty good, yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, forgot to mention, I did use my film camera also for today, so should be fun. Huh, interesting. This camera just tracks something that's in front of me. Anyway, let's go. Okay. So I'm home now, and yeah, I just copied the files from my DJI Avata. I'm not really good with FPV. It's my first, second, third, fifth time, and I don't fly manual, so I'm not that awesome, but I've flied. It's good. My favorite drone to fly is this one here, the Mini 3 Pro. It's so tiny, it's so light, so good. Yeah, but I'm just trying to learn FPV as a hobby, not for business. I just want to learn how to fly an FPV drone. So I'm still far from there because unlike this, you can learn this quickly. You can have fly slow. It has a lot of features that can make you look like a pro, and yeah, I've been flying a lot of drones with this orientation, like this controls, and like DJI drones, all in all. And the thing is, yeah, if you get to learn to fly one, you would be familiar with the rest. But with FPV, yeah, you could. There are some settings that are familiar, but the whole setup is quite different. You have to put the goggles on, and you have to fly first person view, and it's different. The controls are different. If you're gonna go full manual is gonna be different. I'm still trying to learn full manual. I flew this once with full manual, and what the drone did was it flew and got confused and it did this and went to my stomach and just got stuck there. I was afraid, but I couldn't see it, but I could feel it just pushing my stomach. I had the goggles on, so yeah, it's hard. I'm still doing the simulator for manual. This one here, I'm pretty familiar with it, and I can fly these with my eyes closed. So I can't, but I'm really familiar with it. I love the cinematic look. I can control it, and I love that it's USB-C charging, and yeah, this is everyone who wants to fly a drone, a newbie or somebody who wants to carry a drone everywhere, like document or vlog or whatever. I recommend this because it's so handy, it's so easy to fly, and yeah, it's so good. So yeah, this one here, this is just a new thing, and I'm trying to learn a lot about it. I've crashed this a lot of times. So much blabber, so much blabber. I have edited the video that I got from the FPV, and you can find it on my Drone Nuts YouTube channel. I'm gonna link below. But other than that, I'm gonna show you bits and pieces of what I did. I hit a tree or a branch twice or thrice earlier today, but I didn't crash. It's a good thing. Anyway.